Hello everybody. Welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and in this video I am going to start with the practical implementations of Java. In the previous videos I have already talked about the introductory stuff related to Java and Java 19. I have also told the installation of Java 19, the path setting of Java, and also the IDEs or the code editors which you can use. If you have not watched those videos, you can just check it in this playlist. In this video, I am going to start with the basic syntax of Java. So I have created a folder Java 19 and programs folder inside that. This all I have already told in the previous video. So here I am going to directly start with the programming. Pro1.java is the file which I have created. You can just compress this sidebar with the help of this. So here I am just going to create the basic program of Java. I am going to create a program of addition. Here I am commenting addition. Double slash you can use for the single line comment. I will be typing the code and then I will explain each and every line, each and every keyword which has been used in this program. So have some patience and watch the video till the end without skipping. It will be helping you out a lot. I'm creating a class here and pro1 I have taken the name. Class is the keyword which you use to create any Java program. And pro1 is the name of the file. Whenever you create a Java program, so you have to make sure that the name of the file which you have used to save the file and the name of the class is same. The name of the class and the name of the file always remains the same. Each and every Java program starts with class keyword. It is highly object-oriented programming language, so you have to use this class keyword. Without the class, you cannot create Java program. Then braces I have taken. So inside that, I am taking public static void main. Now, what is public static void main? Just like in C, C++, you use void main. Here also we are having void main. But in Java, we write it as public static void main. So public is the access modifier, which is actually used to create this program publicly. I will explain about the different access modifiers present in Java. We will discuss it in some other video. But here public means it is accessible everywhere. Static is another keyword, then void main, and string args. So each and everything in Java is actually going to be taken input in string. That's why this string is taken here. The string S is here capital, you can see. The first alphabet of this string is written as capital. So by default, each and every predefined classes in Java are actually in capitals. So whenever you have the first alphabet at capital, you can understand that this is a predefined class in Java. Then you can see as it is a string, that means collection of characters, array of characters. So here we have taken this bracket also, square brackets, to represent that it is array of characters. And args you can change, you can type anything, whatever you feel like. It will be not making any problem. Arguments, args is short for arguments. By default, it is written here, and you can take any other word here, A, B, C, X, Y, Z for the array or the string which you are taking here. So I am keeping it args only, but you can change it. Now here we have taken the braces of the main. As I am going to create this program for addition, so I am just taking here integer A equals to 10, B equals to 20, and C equals to 0 right now. This I have done initialization of the variable, whatever variables we are using. Then here I am taking C equals to A plus B, that is simply the addition. And here I am printing a message addition colon plus C. Now I am going to explain you that what I have written. You can use control plus to zoom in the atom or control minus to zoom out in the atom. So here system, you can see the system is having the first alphabet capital. It is a predefined class in Java. System is having the object out. So with the help of system class object out, we are using this print function. This print method or the function is stored in the system class, and it is the printing function. In Java, we usually use the terminology method in place of function. So here we will call it method. So print method is stored in the system class, and we are accessing this print method with the help of this out object of system class. So system.out.print is written when you want to print something on the screen. In double quotes, we are giving the message, that is addition plus C. This plus is not used for the addition here. It is concatenation. Concatenation means that you are adding up two strings, like this is first string and this is another string. But here we want to print the value of C. That's why we have not taken any double quotation mark. I am not using any double quotation mark here because I want to print the value of C. You can use this particular C in the next line also. Here you can type C. Then also the output will be same only. But if you want to keep it in the same line, you can use this plus symbol to concatenate two strings. I have used system.out.print. So as I will be like this program will run and we will reach towards the printing. After that, the cursor will be not coming to the next line because we are just using print. We are not using print ln. I will tell you about print ln also in further videos, but this is print. It will be keeping the cursor in the same line. So this is the very, very basic Java program which I have created. Now I am going to run this program. We have already set the path of Java in the previous video. So if you have not watched that video, I'll suggest you to please go to the playlist and watch it. Here I am going to run the program which I have created right now. So here I am just typing Java C space pro1.java. I have already set the path of my folder. Here you can see. So Java C is the compiler of Java, space pro1 is the name of the file, and actually pro1.java is the name of the file. So Java C compiler we are using as it is already installed in our system, space pro1.java. This is the first step to run the Java code. Java C is the compiler, pro1.java is the name of file. Press enter. If there will be any error, it will be listed here. But as in our program, there is no error right now, so it is not giving any errors. Then Java space pro1. So Java is the interpreter of Java and pro1 is the name of file. I have already talked about the interpreter, compiler and the JVM related stuff in my previous videos of this playlist. So if you have any confusion that why we are taking Java C and Java, please watch them. Press enter and here you will be simply getting the output. You can see it is addition colon 30. That is our output. According to 10 plus 20, it is 30. So our program is working efficiently. Now I would like to ask you that this particular program is a system-defined program or user-defined program. It is a system-defined program or a user-defined program. Tell me in the comment section. I will tell you the answer in my next video. But this was the very, very basic syntax which I have discussed in this program. So firstly, you create the class, then you take the main, then you take the variables, then processing, then printing. I will be discussing more examples related to the basic and advanced things in Java. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe Fame World Educational Hub. Tell your answer in the comment which I asked. The question was, this particular program is system-defined program or user-defined program. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.